Asoroboti ruo oyore omokonyo ye gwetrase obomubu bwa Kenya Kwanza Rigathi Gachagua nereniga atebiribuna abakenya nigo bwente gutwara kwegena asalionsi babete bakwenekerirwa chinga kichi campaign na kuburia abakenya batwara gutwareru eliyo bachiye kubaikirania onsi ayuba boletie.
The journey to liberate this country from state capture, conflict of interest, economic mismanagement has just started. And we are grateful to God that the man who has been given this task is equal to it. And it is upon all of us to support him, to work as a team, so that we justify the decision made by the people of Kenya.
Mheshimiwa William Ruto tulimpeleka kwa Wakenya kama mgombezi wa urais wa muungano wa Kenya Kwanza. Lakini sasa hayo yamepita. Baada ya kuchaguliwa, yeye si rais wa Kenya Kwanza, ni rais wa Wakenya wote. Kwa hivyo hata wale ambao wamepoteza ni muhimu pia tuwapatie mkono, tuwapatie bega la kuegemea ili wahisi kwamba Rais Ruto si rais wa Kenya Kwanza tu, bali ni rais wa Kenya wote.
I need to congratulate you for this historic achievement. And let me say that this is not an ordinary achievement. This is indeed an extraordinary achievement. If you look at the circumstances under which we have gotten this victory, indeed there is God in heaven.
Let us make devolution work. Let us make our county assemblies work. Let us make the economy work for everybody. Let us support our President William Samoei Ruto in the delivery of his manifesto, which is the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto. Let us roll up our sleeves. Let us build Kenya.
So, Mr. President, now the reins of power of this country, together with this entire team, is with you. The demonstration you have shown of your capacity to work around the clock is called upon even more because we have to change this country.
Abo bwatani bikia magia Ford Kenya